Are you training learners and would like to know how to deal with absences such as illness, accidents, or holiday leave? We will show you what learners and companies need to know.
Monica trains 2 learners at her company, Deborah and Olivia. One Monday morning, Deborah suddenly feels really sick. In her case, absences due to illness must be reported immediately to the employer. A medical certificate is usually required from the 3rd day on. However, the company can also request this from the very first day. Deborah continues to receive her pay while she is sick. If Monica's business has taken out a per diem sickness allowance insurance, this will continue to pay the wages after the specified waiting period has expired. The premiums for the insurance are generally shared equally by both the employer and the employee. The employee's share may not exceed 50%. If Deborah is unable to work because of an accident, the same reporting obligations apply. The only difference relates to the insurance. In this case, the accident insurance comes into play. Learners must be covered by an accident insurance through the company. The premium for compulsory occupational accident insurance is paid by the host company. The premium for compulsory insurance for non-occupational accidents is paid by the learners if it is not paid by the host company. Employees are entitled to a daily allowance from the accident insurance if they are unable to work on the 3rd day after the day of the accident. Monica's company is obliged to pay at least 80% of the wage for the first 3 days. It is important to note that there is no need to make up for work or school time in the event of illness or an accident. And if Deborah's final exam is at risk because of a long absence, the apprenticeship can be extended. However, this always requires the approval of the vet office. Monica is also training a 2nd learner. Olivia is in her 3rd year of training and is planning a trip in the autumn. Learners like Olivia are entitled to at least 5 weeks if they are under the age of 20. From the age of 20, they get at least 4 weeks holiday leave per year. At least 2 weeks must be taken consecutively. Holiday leave cannot be monetarily compensated. Holiday leave should be taken during the school holidays if possible. If the holiday leave falls during school time, Olivia still has to attend school. Ultimately, it is Monica who decides when Olivia can take her holiday leave, but will take her wishes into account. It is important to note that company holidays also apply to learners. If Olivia falls ill during her holiday leave, she can make up for the days she missed, but only if she provides Monica with a medical certificate.
Monica knows what applies in the event of illness, accident, or holiday leave. You too can plan your training reliably and find out more about other absences such as military service, public holidays, and youth leave at vocationaleducation.ch/absences.